see in front of me SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So to do that, we should open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here the ringtone and notification volume panel. Just to mute your device ringtone, you should swipe to the left side. There's blue dot, and that's it. Now ringtone volume successfully just muted. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just press first up or down volume button, and after that click here on the three dots and you'll see the same ring and notification volume panel. And just to mute your device ringtone, swipe to the left side this volume panel and then tap here to done to save the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.